At Four Brothers Land Clearing, it is about more than just clearing land.
In preparation for a house demolition, we needed to disconnect the water feeding the house. We used a method known as hydrovacing to safely find the water main. It turned out that the water main was far deeper than initially anticipated, but after a little more digging, we were able to locate it and safely disconnect the water main from the house. Once the water main was disconnected, it was time to cover the utilities with stone dust. Stone dust ensure that the utilities do not get damaged by any large rocks or other materials within the fill dirt. To ensure that all utilities were properly covered, hand shoveling was used, which removed any risk of hitting the utilities with the excavator. Once there was no risk to the utilities, the rest of the stone dust was dumped into the hole and leveled flat. Even though the soil was very rocky, we saved the topsoil and reused it after hydrovacing to backfill the top of the hole and get the area ready for seeding. In an effort to disturb the least area possible, we used plywood to cover the ground, which gave us a great area to stockpile our topsoil, and then an easy way to get all the soil back into the hole.
Brothers Land Clearing, clearing a path to a better future.